Master Web Development with Skill Bakery. Hey everyone, ready to level up your web dev skills? Introducing skillbakery.com premium courses starting at just $6 or 500 rupees. Sign up today and learn in-demand skill sets. Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
Welcome to another exciting video. In this one, we'll be covering vectors data type in Rust. Now, vectors resemble with arrays in that they are a collection of similar data types, but the difference lies in the fact that vectors can change in size. So arrays can be created with a predefined quantity or number of items that they can have, but vectors, on the other hand, can have dynamic quantities or number of items. In order to create a vector, we have two ways of doing it. One, if you just copy the names array over here, or let's go ahead with numbers. So we'll have a vector over here. So let's call it as vec_num. So this is a vector we are trying to create, and the collection is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 only, but we'll be making use of the vec keyword over here. So with this, we have created a vector, and we can utilize this in this manner. I can go ahead and say vec_num over here, and then try printing the vector numbers. So let's go and do a cargo run over here. So there's a syntax error basically. This is going to be small. And now let's go ahead and do a cargo run one more time. There we go. So here you can see that last we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is what it is printing over here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now another way of creating a vector is by making use of the vec keyword, and that is going to look something like this. So we can make use of this vec_num2, let's say, and here instead of going with this format, we will be making use of the vec keyword, and then we will be initializing it like this. So this is going to create an empty vec_num2 vector, and I can go ahead and make use of this method like push. So over here I can say vec_num2 dot, and then I can say push, and I can provide the numbers that it's going to have, like let's say 5, and then another one over here will be adding to this, let's say 6. And since we are dynamically adding it, so we will have to make this as mutable. So now if I go ahead and make use of this vec_num2 instead of vec_num over here and do a cargo run, here you will notice that it's printing this 5 and 6 over here, vec_num2. And that's the only difference that we have if we are comparing it with arrays, is that the vectors are dynamic in nature. You can have multiple items added to it after declaring the vector, but with arrays, we don't have that benefit. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.